Hey, my face cam is bad, I'm sorry. But what's up? So today, we're playing Roblox Fortnite. Also known as Strucid or Strucid or whatever you want to call it. I got my spacers in. Here, while we're waiting, I'll show you some magic. Frig. Okay. As you see, I'm shuffling up the cards. Okay. So now, which one is in the front? Two of spades? Wait, two of spades. I think that's spade. My name's Side Strucid or Strucid. I like to call it Strucid. So I'm going to go to a Roblox app on my phone. I'm gonna see if Strucid is on. Okay, so it is not available on your tablet, phone, whatever device. But it is available on here. And I suck. Freak! Yes. Alright, my first kill of the game. In the next video, I'll probably play the Battle Royale version. For now, I'm just playing like this. Rocket. Machine goes in. Excuse me. I think I don't see it. Dude, the tactical layer is OP, but so is that kid. No, stop it! Excuse me? Wait, where was he? Whoa. What the freak, man? Can you do that? Are you interrupt me? Come on, no, I can't do it. Oh, regular man, regular. Bye. Yeah. Have 3 kills. Good. Where's you? Yeet? What? How'd you get over here so fast? How'd you spot me? Bye. Bye. Nice. Look what you've done to me. You've made me a fool. What you've done to me is not good. Oh, it's what you've done to me that makes it so foolish. What you've done to me. Eat. I shot the screen. Wait, did I see a red one? Huh? What's that? Greg! If I get killed one more time, I am ending this video. Oh!